How to fix Spotify not downloading music. Hey guys, if you're facing the same problem, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Obviously, you need a Spotify Premium to be able to download the song. So, if you have Spotify Premium but still you're not able to download the songs, then in that case, what you can do is first check your settings. Tap on the profile at the top left and then go to Settings and Privacy. From here, you can see the different options. So you can change your data saving and offline option. Tap on it. Now on the download and streaming, make sure that the downloads over cellular is turned on. And if you just want the audio only downloads for video podcasts, you can turn that one on as well. Make sure the data saver is turned off. And then finally, you can just go back and try to clear cache. Tap on clear cache and you should be good to go. Then you can try to download the song again. If not, just go ahead and go to your library, select any playlist, add songs to the playlist that you want to download. And then from here, you can tap on the download button right here. So if you have the premium, you will see the download button. But now, if this still doesn't work, then you're going to have to contact Spotify support. So tap on the three dots or your profile, go to settings, and then from here, you can find the help option. If you're not able to find that, you can open up your browser and then contact their support. So let's just head over to our browser and then simply search for Spotify support. Now hit enter. Click on the first link that you see here and simply explain to them that you are not able to download songs. So write your message here and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.